Heads up, Sam.
Got it, Dominic.
Oh, good catch. Sorry about
Thanks.
that.
It's fine.
Hey, stat students. I'm Dominique Lee.
And I'm Samantha Baker, and we're going to teach you how to describe data numerically.
I'm going to go finish my game, right?
Okay, hey, here's your ball.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Hi guys, today we're going to find the median. To find your median, you take the min and the max and you eliminate each time until you get down to one person. So let's try this. Min and max, step back. 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 Step back again. Okay, so as you can see, Darcy is our median.
Okay, guys, now we're going to find the IQR. In order to find the IQR, you take the third quartile minus the first quartile. In order to find the third quartile, you take the top half and find the median. So, all y'all set for it. Okay, so you have to find the median of this. And since it's an odd number, you don't use the median. Okay, so Kendall and Noah step back. So Kaylee was our Q3. Okay, now to find the Q1, you must take the median of the lower half. So, y'all can step back? Okay, step back. We have our Q1. So, now to find the IQR, we take our Q3 minus our Q1. Okay. Our Q3 is 5'11". Our Q1 is 5'3". So, our IQR is 8.
Okay, now we're going to show you everyone's heights.
I'm 6'3".
I'm 6 feet.
I'm 5'11".
I'm 5'10".
I'm 5'8". I'm 5'7".
5'4.5".
5'4", 5'3",
5'2". 5'2".
So now, as you can tell, we had two 5'2's. So that is our mode because that is the number that occurs most often. Now to find our range, we take the maximum, which is 6'3", minus our minimum, which is 5'2", and we get 1 foot, 1 inch.
Okay, guys, try not to figure in your own. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions.
Number 3.
Do you know how to find the median?
No. Who was it paying attention?
What? I thought you were paying attention. Man, I don't know. I have some time. Yes, Caitlin. Do you know how to find the mean? Yes, okay. First, you have to transfer everything into inches since we have feet and inches. After that, you have to add them all up and divide by 11 because that's the total round. Let me show you. Okay, guys, so now we've been at all data. We add all the totals and there's our big total. Okay, so how many numbers do we have?
11.
Okay, so we divide our total by 11. And there's your mean. Your mean height is 67.14. Thank you. Okay, guys, who wants to show us an example of how to find the variance and standard deviation? Anyone? Caitlin, you can show us. Okay. Okay, so first we write up our x values, which here is our height, and then you realize that our mean is 67.14. So to get the first column, you do your x values minus your mean. So therefore, 62 minus 67.14 is negative 5.14. Of course, 62 minus 62 is repetitive, so 63 minus 67.14 is negative 4.14. 64 minus 67.14 is negative 3.14. 64.5 minus 67.14 is negative 2.64. 67 minus 67.14 is 0.86. 68 minus 67.14 is 2.86. 70 minus 67.14 is 3.86. 72 minus 67.14 is 4 7.86. And then lastly, 75 minus 67.14 is 7.86. So then, to not make these numbers negative, we square root our x minus our mean, and we get 26.42, 17.14, 9.86, 6.97, 0.02, 0.74, 8.81, 14.9, 23.62, and 61.78. Now, we add all these together to get a total, and our total is 195.69. With that total, we find our variance. So here, we plug it into our equation, 195.69. Our n in this problem is 11. That's our total number of heights. So then that gives us our variance, which is 19.569. And then to get our standard deviation, we square root the variance. Which gives us a standard deviation equal to 4.42.
Good job, Caitlin. Okay, guys, who wants to show us how to find the standard deviation in the calculator? Okay, Dominique.
Seriously?
Yep.
Stupid. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so what you do is you take your data and you put it into your list, which is shown here. And then to find your standard deviation, you go to Stats, over to Calc, and then 1 bar space. And then enter. The S, your standard deviation calculator.
Thank you, Dominique. You did very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have plugged all my data into my calculator into write list 1. And then I have, I'm trying to find I don't know really what I'm trying to find. I just know we go to 1 bar stats. And I don't know what that means.
Yeah, what is 1 bar stats?
Yes, Caitlin.
What is 1 bar stats?
Okay, that's very simple. Let me show you on the calculator. Okay, guys. So first, we have to go to 1 bar stats. So you go to Stat, over to Calc, and 1 bar stats. Okay, so there's a lot of numbers here. You don't need to know all of these. X bar is your mean of the data. S of x is your standard deviation. N is the total amount of numbers you have. Okay, going down. This is good for whenever you create a box plot, which I will show you how to in a little bit. The minimum is 62. That's the lowest number in our data set. 63 is your Q1, which you know is the median of the first half data. 67 is your median of the whole thing. And Q3 is 71, with your max being 75. Does that help?
Yes, thanks.
Okay, guys, so now we're going to learn how to do a box plot. So here's an example of a generic box plot. And we're going to fill it in with our data. So our minimum was 62 inches, so that goes right here. And you see it's marked by the end of the line. Okay, our Q1 is 63 inches. That's right here. Okay, our Q3 is 71, which is this end. And our maximum is 75, which is the end of the other arm. We have a median of 67, and that goes in the right place of the line in the middle. And our surprise place the number line. So that's how you make a simple box plot. Yes, Dominique?
What does Q1 and Q3 mean?
Q1 and Q3 are, Q1 is the median of the lower half, and Q3 is the median of the upper half.
Okay,
Remember when we showed you how to with the students line up?
yeah.
That's how we did it. We took the numbers from here and here and found the median. And the numbers from here and here and found the median.
Okay.
Everyone understand the box plots?
Yes, yes.
Yes! Good. Okay guys, who wants to volunteer to show the class how to make a box plot in your calculator?
Not me. Roshando, do it.
Okay, thank you, Roshonda. Okay, go.
Okay, today, guys, we are going to put our data into a box plot on the calculator. So first, I'll make sure all your data is in your list 1. Then go to second stat plot, where you want to make sure that your stat plot is on. So you make sure and click enter to make sure it's on, and then you want to scroll over to choose a box plot. When you scroll over, you want to see the difference between the 2 box plots here. One of them shows outliers, one of them doesn't. So in this case, we want the one that shows outliers. Make sure that your list says L1 because that's what you put your data in, and then press graph. Now, because your graph obviously doesn't show a box plot, you go to zoom, and then scroll down until you see, keep scrolling until you see, so you keep going until you get to zoom stat, hit enter, and then you have your box plot. Okay, so you find your Q1, your min, your max, and all that by doing trace, and then just scrolling over. So there you get Q1, your median, your Q3, and then your max.
Good job, Roshonda. And as you see, there are no outliers in this one.
Thank you for watching this video on how to describe data numerically. Check out the problems to go along with this video. Good luck next year.